welcome to Gamingtech. In this video I will be showing two handy tools that I got for myself. One of them is Ergo laptop riser. The reason is I'm having a new laptop, which sometimes I'm gonna take it with me when I don't have access to a desktop, and with this laptop stand we can improve the thermals drastically. That's the main reason I ended up getting this. By the way, on one Swedish site you can find this for 50 kronor, on another site around 200 kronor, so you should buy it from komplett.se for Swedish folks. The entire thing is made out of aluminium, extremely lightweight. It has some nice finish to it as well. Sadly, Igloo doesn't provide any manual here, so I had to figure it out on my own how to install this. Comes with the two screws that you're gonna end up screwing, that's about it. Rubber grommet on the feet and where you put the laptop as well. This took me a while to figure out, to be honest. Some of you are gonna wondering me what's happening with the build. Oh, there was so many problems. I filmed everything about it, so that's gonna be a separate video. Trust me, I haven't forgotten. We're gonna build 12,600K build, 12,700K build. There's another 12,700K, and I believe I have 12,900KF. And another i5 model also. I believe it's 12,400F. So 3-4 builds that I got planned. Yeah, and this is how you attach this. Super easy to do once you know, obviously. Can't believe there wasn't any manual. The site doesn't even show that this product exists. I don't know what's going on there. The only information is you can get about this product is through the retailer site. Pretty simple to put it together. A little bit wobbly. But overall, it can support maximum 5 kg they claim. It seems okay product. For 50 kronor, which is $5, I think it's worth it. Another product that I picked up is dual docking station, because I swap around hard drives sometimes. And especially when these laptops are limited with storage, it's super easy to just put a hard drive there. Obviously there are external hard drives also, but sometimes I move files, so it's super convenient for me and it's very cheap. I believe somebody returned this product and I got 50% off, which is like $15. You can use it as a docking station. At the same time it can copy files, and maximum it can support up to 4 terabyte. Leaves little bit fingerprints, but I don't personally care about that. Super convenient. This is for your laptop basic or for your desktop, however you wish to use it basically. USB 3.0 that you attach to. Some spare hard drives I have. Like I said, for a person like me, super convenient. People refund these hard drives also, so I end up buying them super cheap. It's meant for like video storage and mass storage, but they want to put their personal pictures and loading times are slow, so they end up complaining. That's why people are returning these units all the time, at least in Sweden. from what I know. And if you want to put the second one, you do the same procedure. And that's how you can transfer files from one hard drive to another. You press the button. This is the laptop that I will be showing on the channel also, RTX 3060. It can run Fortnite 144 FPS with very nice settings, by the way. I'm quite impressed. GPU thermals are phenomenal. CPU, that's why this laptop riser is doing phenomenal job. We will have a dedicated video for this. This is what I wanted to show you guys. We're gonna be talking about the motherboard. We're gonna talk about the Darkrock Pro 4 cooler. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so. Thank you for your love and support. Like and share. Let's go, guys.